So to make your skull out of the clay, you are going to take a chunk of clay, and I will cut these off for you. And you need to roll it out till it's about 1/4 of an inch thick, which is like this thick, like 1/4 of an inch. Okay? So roll it, flip it. Roll it, flip it the other way. Roll it. You should be able to do one slab like this for every 2 people. There should be enough clay on here to fit 2 skulls. And you can take turns rolling if you want, or one person can be the roller, it doesn't matter. You're not sharing a skull, you can just use half of this for a skull. Okay. So, about this thick. Okay? Alright, once you have it rolled out, you're going to take your skull paper. You're going to take a needle tool and cut it out. So that's just going to be the background. Now to get the actual image on there, you have a lot of different options. Okay? One thing that you do need to do in some way, it can be whatever detail you want, is you need to add something on. Okay? So to do that, does anybody remember how we do that? Add clay to clay?
Slip.
Yes?
You take that like slab.
Slip.
Slip, and then you like, it's like glue.
You got me some slips or something. Slab, slip. Sounds similar. What else do you need to do?
Fresh. Just scar it.
Score. Score or scratch. I think you guys maybe have learned it both ways. Okay, so say I want my eyeballs to be 3D on there. I would make them nice first. Score on the back of what you're attaching and where you're attaching it to. Use some slip. Just kind of put it on there. You don't want to like push it in because then you'll ruin your scoring. That's like the glue that holds it on. And then squish it on. Okay? If you want to cut details all the way out of here, you can. Some people have cut their eyeballs out, that would be fine. So you can cut things all the way out, or you can just carve decorations in. So you have a lot of different carving tools. There's different wooden tools. These ones are going to carve out more clay. All right? I'm not really trying to make it look like anything. I just want you to see the different techniques. Make sure that the edges are nice and smooth. And then before you are all the way done, you're going to take 2 or 3 pieces of paper towel. You're going to make them into kind of a loose ball. Put them behind your mask. You kind of drape it over it so that when it's done, it looks sort of 3D. So then it'll dry on top of the paper towels. Okay, questions?